What if you could get all the money back you paid in premiums on your term policy after the term was over? That would be fine, right? Yep. Well, you can, and it's through a rider, a life insurance rider. And so in this video, I'm going to break down 3 popular insurance riders: the accelerated death benefit, the waiver of premium, and the return of premium riders. Okay, and so stick around to see how these add-ons can provide extra value and protection for your policy. Okay, and so what is a rider in insurance, when it comes to insurance? Okay, and so an insurance rider is an addendum to an insurance policy that adds additional coverages or other benefits. Okay, now riders will typically come at an extra cost depending upon the rider and the type of policy. Okay, now a rider's cost will correspond with the added coverage or benefits that it provides. Most, however, are relatively low in cost as they involve minimal underwriting and are less likely to be used by the insured. Okay, so the first one I'm going to go over is the accelerated death benefit. Okay, and so this one is also known as a living benefit rider. And so the accelerated death benefit rider can be useful if you receive a diagnosis that will likely shorten your life. And so as long as you have paid your premiums, you may access this benefit early to help cover medical bills, care costs, and other expenses. Okay. Now, an accelerated death benefit is usually a lump sum payment that you can use in any way you like to help alleviate financial stress during your final years. Now, in many cases, you must have a terminal illness to qualify for this benefit. And so many people use the funds for hospital bills, for nursing home care, for hospice, for private caretaker services, for dependent care, and also day-to-day expenses. And so if you were diagnosed with a terminal illness, this rider can help you cover hospital bills or give you peace of mind by addressing immediate financial concerns. Okay. And so there are several situations where a accelerated death benefit rider may be needed. If you have a family history of chronic or terminal illness, for example, then you may want to consider this add-on. Also, if you don't have enough savings to cover unexpected medical expenses, an accelerated death benefit rider may be of value to you. Okay. Now, before I continue with the next one, if you are new to me or to the channel, my name is Katrice, and I am the Practical Insurance Agent, and I help women entrepreneurs to protect and secure their finances using insurance, retirement, and estate planning. Okay. All right, and so the next one is the waiver of premium. Okay. And so the waiver of premium rider is an optional life insurance add-on that allows you to stop paying your life insurance premium while you are experiencing a qualifying disability. Now, the life insurance disability waiver ensures that you won't have a lapse in coverage if you are no longer able to work and pay your premium because of your disability. Now, if you have a disability waiver of premium life insurance rider, and at some point during your policy term you experience a qualifying disability, your insurer will waive your premiums so you can maintain coverage without making payments and with no reduction to your death benefit. And the premium waiver will last until your condition resolves, or if your disability is permanent, indefinitely. Now, if your condition resolves but you later experience the same disability or another qualifying condition, depending upon the insurance company, you may be able to use the waiver of premium provision again. Okay, so imagine facing a disability and no longer needing to worry about how you're going to pay your life insurance premiums. Okay, this keeps your policy active while you focus on recovery, which is without you having that added stress, it allows you to recover faster. Okay. So is the waiver of premium rider worth it? Well, whether a waiver of premium rider is worth it or not depends on your circumstances, your financial goals, and risk tolerance. Now, it can be a valuable addition for some, but the extra cost may not be justified for others. Okay, so here's a few considerations to help you to determine if it might be right for you. Okay. Your risk exposure. If your occupation or lifestyle carries a higher risk of injury or disability, then this rider may offer invaluable protection for you. Your financial situation. You want to consider your current savings and financial cushion. If you have significant savings or other sources of income that could cover your premiums during your time of disability, then this rider might not be as valuable for you. Your family obligations. If you have dependents who will rely on the death benefit of your insurance, ensuring that this policy doesn't lapse might make this rider worth the cost for you. Okay, and then alternative coverage. Do you have other insurance policies like disability insurance, which could cover your expenses, including life insurance premiums in case of illness or injury? Okay, and so if you do have that, then you may not want to purchase the rider. Okay, now the last one I'm going to talk about in this video is the return of premium, and I love this rider for term policies. Okay, so a return of premium rider is an optional provision that you can add to your term life insurance policy that returns the base policy premiums paid to the policyholder if they outlive their policy term. Now, this rider is a financial safeguard for those who wish to secure their monetary contributions during the policy's effective period. It also functions as a form of savings in addition to being a protective measure, ensuring that you'll either get a death benefit payout or receive your premiums back if you outlive your term. Now, the primary benefit of the return of premium rider is that if you outlive your term policy, the insurance company will refund all the premiums that you paid during the term. And if you don't use the insurance, you don't pass away, then you get your money back. And so it's like getting a peace of mind with insurance coverage and knowing that the money spent on premiums will not be lost if the policy does not end up paying a death benefit. Okay, so I love this rider for term policies because a lot of people do outlive their term. They really do outlive their term, and so when you get all the premiums that you pay back, then you can take that money and you can invest it into, if at that point you want to get a permanent policy, you can, or if you want to take that money and to invest it into other things and grow it, or if you want to just put it in your savings and save it, it's still like, it doesn't feel like a wash, right? Because you got your money back. So I do recommend whenever someone comes to me for term that they get the return of premium rider. Okay. Now, some additional things you want to consider when deciding whether to include riders in a life insurance policy. That just really depends upon your individual circumstances, your needs. Okay. Now, riders can add significant value to a policy, offering customized coverage that addresses specific concerns or risks. Okay, now you want to consider the following when evaluating the need for riders. Okay, your personal health and family medical history, your lifestyle and occupation, your financial goals, and your future needs. Okay, now you always want to discuss with a licensed insurance agent or licensed insurance professional to determine which riders are a good fit for your specific goals and financial situations. And so life insurance riders, they offer valuable options for customizing a life insurance policy to better meet individual needs and circumstances. And so by understanding the various types of riders and their benefits, policyholders can make informed decisions about enhancing their coverage. And so whether you're seeking additional protection, financial flexibility, or tailored benefits, life insurance riders can play a crucial role in creating a robust and comprehensive insurance plan. Okay? And so, if you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Now, one thing I'm always asked, or one thing I hear a lot from clients is, I don't know how to calculate how much life insurance I need. And if that's you, don't worry, I got you. So I have a free ebook that you can grab. It teaches you exactly how to calculate how much you need for life insurance. It also comes with a little worksheet that breaks it down, that step by step on exactly how to calculate your life insurance need. And so if you would like to get a copy of that ebook, you can do it. The link is in the description box. You can click the link in the description box and get your free copy. Also, if you know how much life insurance you need and you need to purchase life insurance, or you want to update and add to what you already have, you can also book a appointment with me. The link is in the description. Now, currently right now, I only am licensed in Florida and Texas for life insurance. However, I will be adding more states here come 2025, and so as I add states, I will definitely update and let you all know what states I am writing life insurance in. Okay. And so, once again, thank you for watching. My intention with this video is that you found it useful, helpful, or insightful. And so if that is the case, please consider giving this video a thumbs out so that others can find value as well. Okay? And so I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic. So don't forget to leave a comment below. Okay? And so until next time, remember, no one is coming to save you. And so you have to make sure that you are taking care of yourself. Okay? Talk to you later. Have a good one.